Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a simple, basic photo into a high-definition Smoky portrait using Google Gemini AI. If you want to give your picture that cinematic, mysterious, and professional look, this video is just for you. So, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Gemini on your browser or phone. Now, upload your basic photo. It can be a simple selfie or any clear portrait. Make sure your face is visible and there's enough light in the image. Remember, a clean background helps Gemini generate better results. Once your photo is uploaded, we'll move to the prompt section. Here's the secret: Gemini responds best when your prompt is clear and detailed. Type something like this: a full-body studio shot of me against a dark smoky background, wearing a black jacket and jeans, subtle red and blue rim lights, cinematic shadows, ultra-high definition. Now, hit generate and wait for a few seconds. You'll see how Gemini instantly transforms your normal picture into something straight out of a photo shoot. The lighting gets cinematic, the background becomes smoky, and your face looks crystal clear and sharp. That's the magic of AI editing. After you get the version you like, download the image. You can do some final touch-ups using Snapseed or Lightroom Mobile. Adjust brightness, add contrast, and you're done. Now your photo looks like a professional AI-edited portrait, ready to post on Instagram. And that's it, your basic photo just turned into a high-definition Smoky portrait with the power of Gemini AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI editing tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.